Definitely. What about other skill set? Now that we are talking about skill set, what other skills are important?
I think the biggest skill set that I've seen valuable is people that can connect the dots from multiple skill sets, right? I think there are a lot of people who are really good at one thing, right? And you can make a great living about really good at one thing, right? The people who take it to the next level are able to be good at multiple things or decent at multiple things and connect the dots between them, right? So imagine you had a great salesperson, right? And they're incredibly good at telling a story, right? And understanding pain points and relaying, right, what information, right, and value they can bring to a business or to an individual person. And then you have another person, right, who's an incredible engineer, right, who can build out different systems and tools and architect, right, fantastic solutions. Yeah. Individually, they're great. But imagine you had somebody who can, on the fly, right, through a sales call, right, for example, understand that problem and then figure out the solution live there, right? Like that's the difference maker. And I think you try to find multiple like Venn diagrams of people who can all overlap in that way. I think that's something that I've found it's hard to find, but when you find it, it's like never let go.
Yeah. Definitely. Yeah, no, I only agree with you. Having, connecting the dots. It's like, it's not that it's a gray zone, but the overlapping, right, just help building a better team. And it also, if there should be any gaps, right, you're just much better in that situation. If it's for the company.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.